Hi, today I'm going to show you how to check the print quality on a Brother MFC J6530. Now this is nice and simple. If we're done from the printer itself using the touchscreen you can see here. Now if you're not already on the home screen of the printer, you just press the home button to be taken to this page. Once here you'll see the spanner and screwdriver icon at the bottom of the touchscreen, so we press to go into that. And then we need to go into maintenance, which is the option shown with this symbol here. And once we're in there, you need to go into improve print quality, which is the top option. And here we have check print quality. So we go into that. Obviously to print the page, you're going to need some paper in there. Press the button to start. And if we give the printer just a minute, and after just a few seconds, we'll be given a page that hopefully looks something better than this. Now, as you can see here, we've got blocks of black, cyan, magenta and yellow in quite fine detail. Shows your printer's ability to print in the 4 different colours that it uses. Obviously we've got a couple of issues here. You can see there's a lot of gaps in the black section, indicating an issue with the black portion of the print head, and we've got a couple of little issues on the magenta as well. Thankfully both of these we can almost certainly fix with some cleaning cycles from the printer itself, which your machine will have preempted, as you can see here. So just answer the questions honestly. Obviously we've got dotted lines missing on 2 of the colours there. Select yes. Add something between 2 and 3 for our magenta. So I'll choose 3. Cyan was fine. Yellow was fine. And the black, I'd say, was pretty close to that. So this just make sure your printer's cleaning with the appropriate level of severity. We'll press start when we're done, and we'll leave it to it. And what your printer is doing is pushing ink through its print head to dislodge any dried or congealed ink in there that could be causing those print quality issues, getting rid of that dried ink and hopefully bringing back all 4 colours to a level we would expect. If you still have issues, you can carry on doing the test pages and cleans as we've seen here until you're perfectly happy with the quality of the print. Now I hope you found this video useful. If you have, let me know with a like. If there's anything else you'd like to say, drop it down in the comments. Otherwise, thank you for taking the time to watch this video, and I'll see you next time. Take care. Bye bye.